I beat cancer about a year and a half ago now, and obviously overcoming that, it was an accomplishment in itself. But obviously now that I can drive, I feel like I can start living fully and just kind of doing what I want to do and have that independence. Before my driving test, I was very nervous. As you can imagine, I was like headaches, stomach feeling weird. On the day, I'd say I was less nervous than leading up to it, but I obviously still had those nerves. And then after my test, I was buzzing. I was literally like jumping up and down. I was crying to my instructor, so of happiness, obviously. Funniest moment learning to drive? Probably recently, actually. It made me laugh really, like, a lot. So me and John, a few days ago, we was practicing just the emergency stop. He immediately grabs my bag from the back and puts it in front of him, and it was like, right, we're gonna do an emergency stop. And I was like, and it made me laugh so hard. And then, yeah, it was just such a funny moment. It was just really funny. One thing I'd say to John is just thank you. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for supporting me. I'm the first person to take part in the Drive Against Cancer scheme. I would just say, like, thank you. Knowing this scheme is helping people, it's an incredible thing. I feel like so many people, I was one of those people who generally kind of wanted to drive, but never really thought they would get to that stage. And I feel like this is a good way of like motivating young people to kind of, yeah, just give it a go. You never know what's going to happen. I'd 100% recommend driveJohnsons. Why? Probably just because of everything they've done for me, and like knowing that they are such like a good company, and like my instructor, for example, like who works for the company, he's so like caring and obviously like does his job properly, and I know that like all the other instructors are like that. So I just know that they'd make you feel so comfortable and they'd get you to where you need to be.